In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Google Chrome download field. Let's get started. First, check internet connection. Then change the download location. For that, launch your Chrome browser. Click on three dots given at the top right. Select the option settings. Now head over to the section downloads. Now here you're going to find the option of location. Click on change. Choose this PC and make sure the destination folder has plenty of storage space. Select the folder and see if changing the location helps resolve the issue. Next, modify the registry editor. For that, search for registry editor, launch it, expand HK local machine on the left, followed by software, then Microsoft, then go to Windows and current version, then policies, and click on attachments. In the right pane, double click on scan with antivirus and set the value to 1. Click on OK to save. Afterward, close the registry editor and restart your computer. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your downloads would work again. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.